Good afternoon. It is Tuesday, August 18th, and this is a weather breakdown for the eastern Colorado, specifically Burlington area. Earlier today, the Storm Prediction Center had a level 2 slight risk of severe weather that was up mostly in Nebraska, but included parts of Kansas. But it dropped down to like the Salina, Topeka, all the way over to the border area. So it didn't include us, and I really wasn't worried about it too much. So that has changed, and they've issued another level 2 slight risk for our area that goes out from kind of close to Lyman all the way out to us into Kansas, like over to Oakley, up to Norton, and up through North Platte. So it's a level 2 risk of severe weather, meaning that puts us at risk of seeing some severe weather this afternoon, some large storms. Keep in mind it is only a level 2 risk, but last night in a level 2 risk around Ord, Nebraska, they had a tornado go through there with ping pong ball sized hail, 91 mile an hour straight line winds. So even though it's only a slight risk, these are worth looking at and worth heeding and paying attention to. That was from the Storm Prediction Center. Now, from the National Weather Service out of Goodland, they've issued a hazardous weather outlook for our area. I'll break this down a little bit. It's again, it's for Tuesday, August 18th in the afternoon and evening. Includes Yuma, Kit Carson, Cheyenne, Cheyenne, Colorado, in portions of Nebraska and Kansas. This hazardous weather outlook is for, right here it says this, hazardous weather outlook is for extreme southwest Nebraska, northwest Kansas, and east central Colorado. This afternoon and evening, severe storms are possible tonight, moving into northeast Colorado by around 8 p.m., so they'll be late storms, and continuing east into the remainder of the area by 9 or 10 p.m. Large hail around an inch and wind gust up to 70 miles an hour are the main hazards. A brief tornado may be possible as well. Severe storms continue on Wednesday. Storms will develop in Colorado after 4 p.m. and then move east into areas generally south of Interstate 70 through the evening hours. Large hail, damaging winds, and a brief tornado will be possible then. Isolated severe storms again on Thursday afternoon and evening. Threats are large hail, damaging winds, and a brief tornado could not be ruled out. Now, looking at this, some of the models that I follow, they're kind of inconsistent today, but if we look at the Rufus, the new model that's out, it shows some storms coming out of like the Fort Morgan area, some fairly large storms. One in particular that comes out through there and is kind of in the Yuma area, around 8 to 9 o'clock, headed towards Ray. And then the other storms that come out of the Lyman area, a couple of big cells that it kind of shows them south of the interstate. But again, this is just one of the models, and these things are inconsistent today. So I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see those cells in our area, and they do show some pretty significant hail cores in that. I would heed the warnings, have a way to get weather alerts if you can, a weather radio or something like that. Pay attention to the radio, TV, whatever you can find to get information. I probably will be going live this afternoon. I'm going to guess I'm at least going to be chasing. I don't know about a live stream. We'll see how the early afternoon and early evening pans out. If there's some big storms that pop up, we'll be going live. I'll put together a live stream and try to get that scheduled maybe here in the next 2 hours. And I guess that's kind of it right here. It's just kind of a late day change, and it affects us. So I thought I would come on here and let you know about it. Have a great afternoon. Enjoy the rest of your day. It's a beautiful day out here, not too hot and kind of light winds. So enjoy that and have a blessed afternoon. Thank you.